Sec. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Let me try to reduce this thing. Like, who is on board? What's going on? Two person are joined the live. What's going on? Drop a like on the video. So let's talk. Let's talk. What's going on? Can you hear what I'm saying? If you can hear what I'm saying, just drop it in the comment below. If drop the like button, hit the like button. That's what I mean. Hit the like button. And if you can hear what I'm talking about, just drop it in the comment below. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below. So what's going on? Let's talk about the giveaway, the challenge that I talk about. You know, I pull up. Yeah, exactly. Can hear. So I made a post today on my YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, you know, about the challenge that I talked about. Definitely it's coming on here. It's definitely coming on here. I'm just taking my time to sort a lot of things out. I was supposed to do it today, but you know, I'm taking my time to fix a lot of things so that, you know, the stuff will come out better as I anticipated. Drop a like on the video. You can do it to share it to other people also. Right. So we need to talk about, you know, what's happening. We need to talk about what's happening in the world in general. Yeah, good day. Mr. Bernard, good day. Yeah, good day. So we'll talk about what's happening, you know, in the global scale. Yeah, everyone is watching. Kara, all right. I hope that is right. Hope I'm correct. Is it Kiara? Yeah, exactly. So, you know, I made a video today as touching what's happening in the global economy. So, you've seen that for yourself. And with the chart, you can actually use the chart to, you know, predict what will most likely, you know, happen in 2 months, in a month, which is quite good because it gives you a hedge in the market. Yeah. Good day, Alex. Good day, Alex. I can see you. Good day. Good day. So we'll just allow the live to stream for some time. You know, if I see, you know, a couple of people join the live stream, you know, to some reasonable extent, then I'm going to talk more about the challenge that I talked about. I'm going to talk more about the challenge. So, what's your opinion as touching the global, what's happening in the global economy? What's your opinion? Do you think that we are going into a recession? All right, that's a good one. You can call me. My number is there. So what do you think? Let me just hear your opinion as touching what's happening in the global economy. What's your opinion? You can just comment below. What do you think? Let me hear some responses. Why? Yeah. So what do you think? What do you think? What do you think will most likely happen in the next months to come? In the next 2 months to come? Do you think we are heading into a recession? Do you think we are in a recession? I'm talking about recession also. Recession is, I feel, it's countries starting to go away from, exactly, countries are starting to go away from USD. You know what's happening right now? BRIC, five nation BRIC. So they're not using the USD anymore. They are not. They are starting to drift away from the USD, which is going to hurt the market in the global scale, and is going to hurt the United States to a very large extent. No, there's a lot of back and forth, but I don't want to talk about this. I don't want to talk about that on this live. There's going to be a bull run. I believe there is going to be a bull run. Which market specifically? Which market? Are you talking about Bitcoin? Just drop in a comment. Are you talking about Bitcoin? The bull run you're talking about, is it Bitcoin? I mean, Bitcoin is surging. Like anytime you see bank run happening, the Fed, you know what the Fed do now? Oh, yeah, bull run, yeah. Tomorrow is Friday, so we are going to see a bull run for Wikicat. I believe we are going to see a bull run for Wikicat. Reason being that I'm just waiting for monthly candle close. Monthly candle close, that will be Sunday. Then we'll decipher the next move. You can see what massive bullish candle. I believe that is going to close bullish. So next month we should be expecting, some bullish momentum on Wikicat. Yeah, altcoin warming up for bull run. Yeah, it's warming up. I was supposed to make a video explaining. I actually explained that just a little bit. Dragon rabbit. Oh, we've got loads of rabbit. Dragon rabbit. I think I've not heard of that before. Dragon rabbit. We've got Dutch rabbit, we've got dragon rabbit, we've got Digimon rabbit, we've got loads of rabbits in the market. So expect some bull runs. I pray, okay, confirmation. I did dream that a bull run. Yeah. Exactly, I'm expecting a bull run also for Wikicat. Looking at what the chart is painting, I think we are heading into that direction. Looking at what the chart is painting, we are heading into that direction. Which is pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting, what I'm saying, right? Very, very interesting. You can do well to smash that like button, what I'm saying, right? So what about the stock market? What do you think the stock market is going to do? Drop in a comment below. What do you think the stock market is going to do in few months from now? What do you think the stock market is going to do? Do you think we're going to see some dip? Like Tesla stock now is Jasmine coin, yeah. Tesla Jasmine coin is, I feel Jasmine coin is going to, what I'm seeing in Jasmine coin, I think I checked that chart yesterday. I can't really say right now. I'm just waiting for monthly candle close so that I can get the overall perspective. Because when I look at it from the monthly time frame, monthly time frame was kind of like, indecisive. If you look at it from monthly time frame perspective, Jasmine coin was really indecisive. The same thing with Voltino. I talked about that also. Same thing with voting, but let's just allow for weekly candle close. Then we'll possibly know where Jasmine coin is going to what trade to. CEO of Jasmine coin said, $18. That's a pretty interesting one. Like $18 per coin. That would be interesting. But okay, 17. All right, 17. Ah, that would be interesting though. But it has a long way to go. It has a long way to go. Frankly speaking, it has a long way to go. For coin to pump to that extent, it really has a long way to go. So I was talking about Tesla stock. Feel Tesla stock is going to tank. It's still going to tank to the downside. To be in 3 years. Okay, in 3 years. All right. So we just wait for price. Let's just see what price will do. Let's just see what price will do. Spice coin. All right, I've not checked that out. Spice coin. All right, I'll take note of that. I'll take note of that. So let me see what Spice coin has for us. Spice coin. All right, I'll take note of that. How much you think that $50 return of investment for Wikicard to trade to its previous high? The most likely return of investment you're going to get is 100%, 100%, more than 100% return of investment. But I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm very well. I'm very well. OG, blessings, yeah, blessings to you too. Blessings to you too. Blessings to you too. What was I talking about? All right, Wikicat. That was what I was talking about. But we need to check the chart. There is this. I use CoinGecko in order to decipher that. That's the previous high. If you invest a certain amount of money, the return of investment they are going to get when it hits the previous high, I think I'll work on that also. But I'm not sure. Yeah, Might be 200% return of investment, might be 100% return of investment, but I'm not sure. But I'll check that out. If you invest $50 right now, I'll check that out definitely. All right, so are there questions popping in? If you got a question, you can just drop it in the comment below. As I said earlier, the challenge is coming on. I'm just working on some questions and there are some things I need to set, so that's why I've not done that yet. What do you think will happen to Bitcoin in the next 1 month from now? Can somebody actually predict that? What do you think will happen to Bitcoin like a month from now? What do you think will happen to Bitcoin like a month from now? Do you think Bitcoin is going to trade above 32K or is going to still trade below 32K? You can drop it in the comment below. Because Bitcoin is very interesting. Looking at what is happening, we are heading into a recession, and recession to lots of people, it's not static. It's typical, in the sense that it varies. I can come on here and define recession differently, and somebody else can come on and define recession differently. You know what I'm saying? So it's not something that it has one definition. So it's typical. So I believe we are already in a recession, personally for me, and you know lots of stuffs are going to be happening. Yeah, that's why people are opening for Bitcoin. People are opening for Bitcoin every now and then. We are supposed to enter altcoin season next month. I was just seeing that, that indicator reading, very good. But, something happened, yeah, because of the bank run. And very soon, the Fed is going to start printing money again and, back to square one. We are trying to fight towards inflation, but the printers are still on. So if the printers are still on, what's going to happen? They're going to print money and bail the banks out. Then, is the capitalists always have a way of, you know, being on the good side. I mean, the capitalists, they always have a way of, maneuvering things. It's the citizens that are going to suffer on the long run, because whatever happens to the United States dollar is going to affect the world, because it's the world reserve currency. You understand? So everywhere, Nigeria is getting heated, UK is getting heated, all the countries. That's why, some certain countries are trying to fight against the dollar dominance. They say that they don't want to use the dollar again. So, stuff like that happen. And it is what? All right, what am I seeing here? All right. So who is dropping it for me? Do you think Bitcoin is going to go above 32K, or is going to stay below that range? What do you think? What do you think? Comment below, comment below, comment below. What do you think will happen to Bitcoin? Wikicat on Binance and what is it? Pancake Swap, correct? Wikicat on Binance. Oh, he's going to trade above 32K. Wow, all right. That's a nice one. If he's going to trade above 32K, then that's pretty good. When it's above 32K, that's when I'm going to be, pumping my money. And I will need to see weekly candle close, 32K weekly candle close, before I know that, Bitcoin is about to, source to the upside. You understand? It has to be above that 32K. If it is not above that 32K, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is not going higher. That's just the simple truth. You know what I'm saying? It's that 32K range. If you look at it from the monthly time frame perspective, you are going to see something very interesting. The reason why I always hammer on that 32K level is a very interesting level. Very interesting level. Probably when you sign out from this life, you can go and check Bitcoin chart on TradingView. You can just go to the monthly time frame. You will see what I'm talking about. You see what I'm talking about. Very interesting. But if it's going to blow above 32K, that's pretty good. That's very interesting. You know what I'm saying, right? You just expect some massive. I'm just, Wikicat has been. Let's talk about Wikicat. If they can reach 32K, all right. Oh, thanks a lot. Shidera, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for sending that in. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Oh, 32K. It's going to blow above 32K. It's going to blow above 32K. That will be pretty interesting. That will be pretty interesting. So, let's talk about Wikicat. Somebody's talking about Wikicat on Binance. Do you know if Wikicat if they list Wikicat on Binance, do you know what happened to Wikicat? All our wallets will be showing, it will be pretty massive. You will be shocked and surprised. Let's say if you invest $50 or $100, just for instance, on Wikicat, do you know what happened to your wallet? If we can see what 20,000% return of investment, because from the all-time low on Wikicat, I think from the all-time low, in relation to the present price that Wikicat is trading, I think Wikicat has performed well over 27,000%. Yeah, you can go and check this. You can go and verify this. I think I checked that on CoinGecko. You can actually check it on CoinGecko. Well over what? 27,000%. Just imagine you are a early bird and you invested very, very early. Yeah. We are expecting that on Binance, because if Wikicat get listed on Binance, it's going to go parabolic. It's going to go extremely bullish. That's just a fact. And if you can list that on Bybit, do you know what happened? Like, it's going to be very, very interesting. You know what I'm saying? Very, very interesting. So let's just watch out on that. And we can also, achieve that, because that's why most of the time when I make videos, I always say, drop the like button so that video will spread across to other people and they can see the potential of Wikicat and invest on it. Drop 2 zeros. Yeah, definitely. Wow. Maybe probably more than 2 zeros, Wikicat dropping more than 2 zeros. It's possible, very, very possible, because Wikicat is still on a micro level. You can drop a like on the video. Thoughts on PayPal? Wow. Okay, PayPal. I think I've not checked that chart for some time now. Pardon me on that. I've not checked that chart for some time now. You know what I'm saying, right? But I'll try and check it out. Not check that chart for some time now. But I'm definitely going to, make an update as touching that. So we've got Spice, we've got, PayPal, right? So PayPal on Binance, that will be pretty interesting. Most of these meme coins, they get listed on. I better go make Wikicat no pump now, because I never buy. No, you have to get it like Wikicat. But once Wikicat to pump, what are you talking about? Oh my god! You can buy a little, you can like $50, $100. You can just buy it and hold it. Is it that you buy Wikicat coin? Is it that you buy? Sorry, I didn't get your question. Is that where you buy Wikicat coin? I don't get. What do you mean by that? Kiara, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? I don't get that. I do not get that. So let's make a way, make some waves on the internet, so that we can get some traction, so that Wikicat, Digimon Rabbits can go extremely parabolic. You know what I'm saying, right? The way Digimon Rabbit is forming right now, I don't, the shots are. I still believe Digimon Rabbit is going to fly to the upside. Well, I have my reservations. We just need for what? Monthly candle close. Remember my analysis on Wikicat and Digimon Rabbit, monthly candle close. If you can see some indecision candle, monthly candle close on Digimon Rabbit, then we are good to go. Then we should see some bullish momentum on Digimon Rabbit next month. For Wikicat, I'm sure that Wikicat is going to go extremely bullish to the upside. You know what I'm saying, right? Extremely bullish to the upside. That I believe. You know what I'm saying, right? That I believe. Do you buy Wikicat? You can buy if you're using Trust Wallet, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can get Wikicat on PancakeSwap. You can go to my YouTube channel, watch my previous videos. I've made some videos as touching that on how to buy Wikicat. Pretty simple. Simple and straightforward. It's not something that is difficult. Very, very simple. You just swap it and you buy Wikicat. If you don't know how to go about it, go to my YouTube channel and you get that video for yourself, so that somebody was reaching out to me and I need to see it. And it's very important. This is just advice to us all. If you don't understand how something work, like somebody reached out to me on BNB Tiger, he bought BNB Tiger, 3,000 naira, 3,000 naira, and BNB Tiger, it was part of the early bird. Early bird, those people that saw the project very, very early and invested into BNB Tiger, 3,000 naira, and he pumped towards 66. I don't know if he's on this live. If he's on this live, just drop it, just comment down below. And he pumped to, I think, 60,000 and above, if I'm not mistaken. And do you know what happened? Yeah, he didn't know how to what? Sell BNB Tiger, that was the problem. Do you know what he did? He went to not BSC scan. So what he did, he went to BSC scan and he copied the creator's wallet address. That's the BNB Tiger, creator's wallet address, and transfer his BNB Tiger, from his wallet to the creator's wallet. So that's exactly what happened. So if you don't know how to go about something, it's better you just get educated about it. There are a lot of videos on YouTube for you to get educated on all those simple stuff. That's pretty simple. You know what I'm saying, right? The same way you buy BNB Tiger, Wikicard, Digimon Rabbit, or any coin that you see out there, that's the same way you sell it. So it's a reversal process. So it's very, very simple. So when he said that to me, I was saddened about it, So the whole idea of me saying this is, if you don't know what's up as touching anything in this crypto game or other stuff, please try to make research about it so that you'll be well informed. Like me personally, one of my personal philosophy is I'll need to know like 80 to 90% of something before I engage into it. 80 to 90, that's pretty good, so that you stay ahead loads of people. You stay ahead loads of people, and that's pretty good. That's very, very good. Oh, Pancake Swap is not working for now. Pancake Swap is not working. I've not checked that. Yeah. It has been long that I use Pancake Swap. I have never seen Pancake Swap not. Okay, you can use other platforms though. Wikicard is listed on Uniswap. You can also use Uniswap also, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Another exchange also, both centralized and Hotbit also, you can also get Wikicard. Centralized and decentralized exchange. But please listen to this. Always use decentralized wallets. I've talked about that. We don't want your coins to be sitting on Binance. That's pretty good. If you want to engage in that, you can actually do that. But personally, I don't advise anybody to, except you want to trade, like future trade. If you want to do that, you can just keep that on Binance or Bybit. You can be trading that. You can use do your trading. But just to store it there, no, don't store your wallet in a centralized exchange, please. When you're done with your transaction, just transfer it back to Trust Wallet, MetaMask, whatever wallet you use, and cold wallet you use it. Or if you're using Ledger or Trezor, that's pretty good. It's the best option right there. Is the best option though. I'm saying, right? So always note that. So do I still have any questions right here? Do I still have any questions? Do we still have any questions right here? Who is a stock trader, yeah? Who is a stock trader? Please just drop in the, if you're a stock trader, drop it in the comment below. If you're a stock trader, drop it in the comment below, please. Please. I want to see some stock traders right here. Like, if you are shorting Tesla right now, you'll be making, some cool cash. If you are shorting Tesla right now, should be, because it's just coming down. Like, It's going to be a very, very nice trade. Trust me, it's going to be a very, very nice trade. Right. I think we've, talked about loads of things, right? Yeah. All it and BSC will be successful. Let me get that clear. Let me get that. Okay. Voltino change desk if not already. All right, that's pretty interesting. But I've not seen that. Yeah, I think I will check that out. Things are there are loads of exchanges that are out there. Voltenu. Yeah, Voltenu has been consolidating. Like I talked about Voltenu. Like Voltenu has been pretty stuck in the range for like more than a year. Voltenu has been stuck in the range. Just stuck in the range, bro. Like I still believe Voltenu is going to trade to the downside. We need to see a clear reversal pattern of Voltenu before we pump. Do you understand? We need to see some clear reversal pattern on Voltenu. That's on the daily time frame. We need to see a clear reversal pattern. Then we should be expecting some pump to the upside. You know what I'm saying, right? But we just need Voltenu to really pump to the upside because it has been stuck in the range for more than a year. And for those people that don't, can I buy the first week of May? Or what coin do you want to buy? What are you talking? Is it Wikicard, Digimon Rabbit? Just drop the coin that you're talking about. Drop the coin you're talking about. Okay, I wanted to say something. For those people that don't know price action, some people that don't know price action, some people just thrive on the wave. Bullish catalyst for Voltenu. I don't care. Are you asking me a question like what's going to be the bullish catalyst of Voltenu? Is that what you're asking? Is that what you're asking? Just drop it down. Drop it in the comment below. Right, I was saying something that's touching price action. If you don't know your TA, and that's what happened to lots of people. All right, Voltenu will be parabolic. Let's just wait and see. We're still bullish overall. When the bull run comes, definitely all these coins are going to go parabolic. Okay, Volt. All right, Volt, bro. Like we've got loads of coins that are out there. There are some coins that I don't know. Like we've got millions of tokens, millions of coins that are out there, millions of coins that are out there. Like it's a lot. Like this Pepe that just came outside, and we've got different versions of Pepe. We've got we've got Pepe Nu, we've got Pepe Talk Life, we've got Pepe CEO, we've got loads of them. People are just trying to thrive on the wave. Okay, Wikicard. Yeah, you can actually buy right now. Wikicard, but this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But next month we should be going extremely bullish on Wikicard. Yeah, that's exactly what is going to happen. Just waiting for monthly candle close. Exactly, Wikicard. Yeah, you can buy Wikicard. You can definitely buy Wikicard right now. Definitely buy Wikicard. And wait for what? The pump. May. Yeah. Just wait for that. Wait for that moment. I know we've got Wikicard army as well. We've got loads of people that are part of the Wikicard army, Digimon Rabbit army. Yeah, we've got loads of them right here. If you're part of them, drop a like on the video. You know what I'm saying, right? Drop a like on the video. You know what I'm saying, right? Very, very interesting. So We've been here for like 35 minutes right now. We've been here for 35 minutes. Oh, before I go, please, 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 if you want to buy any coin, please know your TA. Very, very important. Yeah. Voting is going to surprise everyone, you know what I'm saying, right? That's pretty interesting. I'm looking at it keenly. I want to see a very clear reversal pattern before I put in my money. And I'll see some pump to the upside. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. I said Wiki Cat is going to go parabolic next month. First week, second week. It's going to go bullish. That's what I mean. So before I close this slide, please know your TA. That's technical analysis. Very, very important. Fundamentals is also important. Sentimental is also important. And there are a lot of factors that you have to consider when you're looking at that. Sentimental, fundamentals, but don't forget your TA, technical analysis, so that you can stay ahead loads with people. Analyze from a higher time frame perspective. Know the flow of the river. All right, I'm going to talk about it. So we've got Volt, Echo. I think I will have to, get the name. Spice coin also. Yeah, and paper, yeah. So those three coins, I'm going to talk about them. Right? You can always rewatch if you missed a lot. You can always rewatch, but don't forget about what I said. TA, don't ever forget it. Know your TA. If you want to invest in any coin, you can do a review. If the coin is new, yeah, very, very pertinent. Very, very pertinent. And people don't know. Most of the time, if I discuss with them, some people tell me that they want to buy a coin. And I'm like, if the coin is new, you have to do a review. That's a contract address review of that coin to see if it is legitimate or not. You have to do that, but we are not saying that. For you to know a coin is about to come, your TA is going to tell you. That's why you have to know your technical analysis. Technical analysis will always tell you that the coin is about to pump. And if you know your TA very well, and if you analyze from a higher time frame perspective, and please don't ever forget, use a higher time frame to analyze the market from the monthly time frame down, weekly time frame, daily time frame. Please, so that you can get the flow of the river. If the river says we are going south, then we are going south. If the river says we are going north, we are headed north. That's exactly what you have to understand. So know your TA. I can't overemphasize this. You know what I'm saying, right? The reason why I'm emphasizing it, I know my TA. That's why, lots of time I can, sit down in the chart and I'll actually predict where that coin will go to. And you've seen me, I've done this on this YouTube channel for a long time right now. You can attest with me on that. I'll say that, this thing is not headed, it's not going up. And you see that tanking, this is TA. If you know your TA, definitely you know when to buy a coin. You know when to buy a coin. It's not all about how to buy and sell. You understand? It's not about how to buy and sell a coin. It's about when to buy a coin and when to sell a coin. And when to sell a coin is taking profit. You understand? It's about what? When to what? Buy a coin and when to what? Sell a coin. Because how to what? Buy a coin and sell a coin is very, very simple. It's knowing when. That's the question. That's what you should be concerned of. That is what you should be concerned of. When should I buy this coin? Everybody's talking about it. We've seen like 20,000 pump, 30,000 pump, like the paper pump that I talked about. A coin is not just going to go, give massive gains and keep pumping to the upside. 40,000, 30,000% return of investment we're talking about, and you still expect that coin to still really, really pump massively to the upside. No, it doesn't work that way, and it follows price action. it's going to tank down. And when it starts tanking down, just know that people are taking profit. That's exactly what you have to understand. You know, these are traders. They are thinking, their thinking is very large. The people that you want to like beat against, people are coming into this cryptocurrency market with millions of dollars. You understand? Their thinking is very large. If they have made like 20% return of investment, 30%, 40%, 100% return on investment, they cash out. And when they start cashing out, you see the price tanking to the downside. You understand? And just imagine a coin that just came outside, like the paper that I talked about, give a gain of 30,000% return on investment. That's pretty massive, and you still expect that coin to really pump to the upside.